So in this video we are going to discuss quiz 1 problems in quiz 1. So the first question, you are asked to find the limit of this function. Actually this is a polynomial, very nice smooth function, so you don't need to worry about much because this is a smooth function, right? So when you are asked to find the limit of this one, you are just subbing this value into here, into this function, then you get this one here. So 5 times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus 1. When you simplify this, 20 minus 6 plus 1, which is 15. The answer, the limit of this function as x tends to 2 is 15. Let's talk about the second question. This is a rational function. So let's look at this is the denominator function, and let's look at what will happen at the of the denominator when you plug this number into there. So when you plug this number into there, denominator is not equal to 0, or it is defined, then no worries. Then so this is a polynomial. Denominator function is a polynomial in x. This one also polynomial. The limit of this function easily can be obtained because this function is continuous at -1. Just plug this number into the function, then you get 2. The answer, the limit of this function as x approaches -1 would be equal to 2. Very easy to compute. The third question, again you have a rational function, and this one also polynomial. Denominator function also polynomial. It is a linear one, and this is a quadratic function, right? So but what happened so you are asked to find the limit of this function as x approaches 3. The thing is, denominator becomes 0 as x approaches 3, right? So this function becomes approaches 0. So then we try to simplify this this rational function. Let's simplify this. You can factorize the numerator. So in this way, so the two factors are x minus 3 and x plus 3. So that is your numerator, and denominator remains the same, and here we are considering the limit. So then you can cross this off because so here x approaches 3, not attain. X does not get the value 3, right? So then we can cross this off. Now we left with this linear function, which is x plus 3, which is a nice nice continuous function. Then the limit would be limit of this one as x approaches 3 is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. The fourth question, here again you have a rational function, and this is a polynomial, and this is a cubic polynomial, and this is a quadratic polynomial. So as x approaches -2, what happened to the denominator? So getting close to 0. So therefore we have to simplify this rational function. Let's try to simplify. So we can factor out this term, and we can factor out this term. Try to simplify. When you consider the numerator function, so you can apply this. You can factor out this numerator in this way. X cube, and 8 is equal to 2 to the power 3. So then you can use you can factor out this one. So numerator, so this numerator can be factored out in this way. X plus 2 times x squared minus minus a here 2, right? 2 minus 2x a squared plus 4. Yeah, so your denominator, yeah, so very easy to factor out this one, x plus 2, x minus 2, and we know that when you consider the limit, so you can, so limit x approaches negative 2, but x does not get the value negative 2, then you can cross this off, right? Then take the limit, negative 2, right? Yeah, then you can take the limit of this function, and this is the simplified function, and your numerator becomes as x tends to negative 2, so numerator becomes this value. Your numerator function approaches this value, 4 minus 2 times minus 2 plus 4, that is your numerator. Denominator becomes denominator function approaches as x tends to negative 2 is negative 4. When you simplify this, you get negative 12 over 4, which is negative 3.